that's a hell of an entrance. I gotta say, that's a bit more fun to drive to work than a pickup truck.
Yeah, it's a good day.
Oh, it's a beautiful day to fly.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Barely a breeze, beautiful sky.
Smooth as glass. The altitude is great.
Let's see what we got going on with the F4.
Mm-hmm.
One of the things we're doing is we're checking that air valve that we just resealed the other day. And we got the air cart warming up so we can put some air in the jet and leak check this. So make sure it's just good to go before we start buttoning up panels. Alright, so as you guys saw, the ram air turbine does deploy properly. It goes up and down as it needs to. Right about there, yeah, the air valve has still got a leak, so we've still got to address that. So we're gonna air into it yet again. The joys of working on a 60-year-old airplane. Alright, so back here with the comms issue yet again. We got some more geek stuff and some more high-tech stuff to troubleshoot this. So, Justin, take it away. What we got?
So I know a lot of people in the comments last week or the week before last, I forget, were saying we need to put a TDR on it, see how long the cable is. I didn't have one, but I've rectified that, and now I do. I have what's called here a Rig Expert Stick X Pro. It's the top of the line of Rig Expert's stick series. And it's the only one they have in the stick series that has a TDR built into it. So we're gonna hook it up to the jet. I had to adapt down because this is a BNC connector and the connector on here is a type in. So I have a type in to SMA to BNC. Yep. So it's a little bit of an adapter mess, but you kind of have to when you're working on all this stuff. So if I plug this in here, it's gonna run the TDR. It's gonna take a sec because it's gonna collect. But what the TDR is, it's a time
domain reflectometer.
Yeah, time domain reflectometer. It's gonna give us two numbers, an IR and an SR. I believe it's initial response or something along those lines in the secondary. Yeah. Basically, it's depending on how long it takes to get to the end of the cable and bounce back. That's how long the cable is. It's able to measure that.
Yeah, because it sends out pulses, right?
Yep. So if we look here, on this cable, we're at 4.732 meters. I don't know how well y'all can see that.
Hopefully that comes through because I'm having a hard time seeing it on camera.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll pull it up on my phone as well. That'll make it a little bit easier, but it's given us a distance of 4.732 meters, which is just about 15 feet if my metric is all right. But
fairly close, like about 14.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
But that sounds about the right length to go from here up to there.
The top.
So because it's not a straight shot from there to there. It's kind of got a zigzag around beams.
Yeah, it snakes about a bit, which in all honesty is not what I was wanting to see. I was hoping it was going to say 0 so this connector was bad, but now it's going to be a little bit more work to figure out where it's broken at.
Given that distance, that almost sounds like it could be the tray.
Yes, so that's our other kind of thought process, is that the tray may have an issue, but I don't believe we showed it, but 2 weeks ago when we took this panel off, we actually tested continuity with a meter from here to the top tray to see if there was continuity between the two with a direct connection. And we didn't have continuity between the two, so.
Now it's starting to be a little more obvious.
Yeah, so it's getting up there somewhere. We don't know if it's making it all the way. Because when we tried to tone it, we also didn't get a tone up there. So it's, you just kind of got to figure everything out. It's a bit of an interesting spot to be in, but we'll get it figured out, hopefully, and see where we can get. We're going to do some more digging on it and see what we can figure out.
We're a lot closer now to figuring this one out.
Oh yeah, it's having the right equipment helps out. I'm probably going to bring my toner back out next week and see if I can play around anywhere up in the rear cockpit, see if it goes anywhere through there.
Sniff it out?
Yeah, see if I can sniff out where it ends up, because, I didn't bring it today because I'm not in my car, as y'all saw at the intro, so. But when I have all my actual equipment, we'll get everything tested.
Only so much you can put in the trunk of a Cessna.
Yeah, but at least I got to bring my new tool.
Nice. That's a nice one. That's far less bulky than the one I used back in the military.
Oh yeah, they've really miniaturized a lot of this stuff. I had a TDR for Cat 6 Ethernet, or not Cat 6, but Cat Ethernet in general, and can't really adapt RJ45 to this, so
no, not at all.
Had to get this, which is specific for RF applications, but it'll help out in my other, in my career. I do all of the RF stuff at the office, and also I do a lot of ham radio stuff, which is the target audience for this is for ham radio enthusiasts. So
nice.
Can use it elsewhere, and we'll see if we can use it to do more on here and get some good readings and see how well everything works.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks, Justin.
Yes, sir.
All right, everyone. Well, we made some more progress on the one radio, really narrowing down where the cable issue may be. We're getting closer on the air leak. We still got to deal with that. And, well, got some more progress going on. We got to take care of this stuff before we can do some more engine stuff, taxi, and get the seats in, and a few other hodgepodge things, and get her back in the air. What I'm really surprised today, given how nice it looked, is none of the warbirds were flying today, so I didn't get any shots of that. But yeah, had mostly dealt with the F4 today. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.